Friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see some accounting and collection part in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the business summary I will go to the dashboard. So here you can see the cash is 4,91,300 and bank balance is 1 lakh. Now I will go to the let's go to the customer and summary. So here I will select this staff 1. So one customer is assigned to the staff. Now if I go to the staff login, so here you can see this is the staff login, and in the field collection, if I go to the loan collection list, so the staff has already collected 1,300 today. And if I go in accounting, so I will click to the my cash transaction. So here you can see that 1,300 the received by staff. So the admin issued 1,300 to the staff and staff has accepted this amount. Now this 1,000 staff wants to transfer to the admin. So here you can see acceptance is pending. So here we can hand over this amount to the admin. So let's say this is 1,000 and just I will select staff admin Janvi and let's say total 300 and hand over. So here 1,300 that staff wants to hand over to the admin. So here acceptance is pending. Now let's go to the admin login, and if I go in the accounting my cash transaction, so just refresh. So here you can see 1,000 that staff issued to the admin and 300 that staff issued to the admin Janvi. So here admin will accept this amount, and now you can see 1,300 accepted by admin. So we can easily do the collection entries and hand over the cash to the staff, or staff can hand over to the admin, and we can manage our business in Jainam Software. So if I go to the business summary dashboard, so here you can see 4,91,300 is the amount and 1 lakh is the bank balance. And now if I go to the collection report, collection by staff, and just refresh, so here you can see staff has done 1,300 today's collection. So the total collection report you can see from here, and you can check the timing also. So this is the 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 to 4 p.m., the 3 to 6, 5 p.m. the staff has done this collection, and he has hand over this collection to the admin as well. So this type we can manage our business in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.